Warm soul, be patient with the people who you love most. Don't fear when I'm close. Love's gentle, family's near. Calm.
Welcome to this video. Welcome to this vlog. So I was arranging my kids' room and I found these shoes that Jasmine used and some she did not use them, but they don't fit anymore and most of them will not even size Diana. So I just decided to put all of them here in this nylon and put them in the storage. When I have time, I will start separating the ones that will fit Diana and the ones I'm going to throw away because I don't need them anymore. Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's not Christmas, but I'm just wearing this my Christmas outfit, you guys. I don't want these pajamas to waste because how can I buy it in the amount I bought it and wear it once and not wear it again? I will wear it till I get tired. Anyways, I was just about to go get ready, get the kids ready as well, so we can take a walk and also get pizza because I've been indoor for a few days now. I think 2 days. I've not really come out. So then I heard the bell. I'm like, it's 6 p.m. and I'm trying to also post my video because I mainly post 6 p.m., which is 5 p.m. Nigeria time. And I heard the bell. I'm like, it's not the delivery people that are coming to press my bell. Who is that? And I came out, it's police, 3 of them, and they were like, are you guys the new residents here? I said yes. Said okay, can you bring your documents? Let's ask you some few questions and give us answers. I said, okay, no problem. This is because Obi went to register our residents here because when you get into a new place, you need to register and change your residence. So if anything is coming, like letters or any important documents are coming to you, it will be coming to your new place of residence and not your old residence, because before now, all our important documents are still connected to our old house. So now they came, they told my husband they were going to come. Me, I didn't believe they would come because when we did our residence in that our former house, we didn't see all this vigilante or police or whatever. I was surprised to see them saying that they came to confirm if we really live here. So which means from today our residents have started reading in this particular house and we cannot change our doctors. Anything you want to do, school, clinical. Jazz, Mama is talking. I've told you several times. I will do it. Mama is talking. Okay? So, everything has now officially changed from today. So, we are now residents of this place. It took about 2 weeks, some 40 days, 2 months, depends. They actually told us 40 days. They came in 2 weeks. So, let me just go get dressed and yeah, I said let me just give you guys this gist. Not that I like gist, so I did gist on our way. I will see you guys when we get out of the house. Hey guys, we just left the house. See, before you see houses here that is not fenced and they did not plant tree, is a lie. They must plant trees and it must be fenced. And they have very, very large compound around there. See this compound, see this one. It is very big and it has dogs. I've not seen any dog sha, but they indicated that there is dog and people should be aware. The area is fine and it's cool. No too much noise, no gra. Anyways, this waka even waka, so I don't understand. I just left the house and it's almost 8 p.m. and I don't know when I will be back. Depending on what they are doing around there, depending on what time I will get home tonight. I don't really have anything to do at home. I've already sorted out things I'm going to sort out. I don't have anything to do. So I remember this my bob hair today. I've been wearing the other hair for way too long, so I just wanted to make use of this one as well. Look at this mountain. I just came across it. It is so big, huge, cute. I'm trying not to show the houses numbers. See. We came to get pizza, but apparently they have just this, so they said they are making it. Let's wait. So this is the pizza we got. I got just 3 and I don't want to eat. It's just for the kids. But now it's cool. Let me go warm it. Diana, wait. That's why Diana is crying. Wait, let me go and warm it. Wait, let me go and warm it. Where is the thing I brought? Where did you put it? Now I want to use to clean. Where is it? You children will not kill. You children will not kill yourselves. Why are you guys policing me every day? Why are you policing me? Diana, go that side. You guys, we just came back a while ago. Who sent me to go and buy pizza for this children? See the work they put to. Oh, every day I must clean this house. Every single day to keep up. Today I'm cleaning this house 2 times. See the way my kids turn this table upside down. The pizza I gave them. If you see the rug, oh my God. I just had to clean this place. Now I need to mop it. Their dad will soon be home. Diana, please wait. Diana, you want to see? Do you want to see? Just go and bring Mama Rapper. Let me back Diana. He's there.
Mom, it's on the floor.
Bring it. Oh. At this point, Mother's Day should be celebrated every day. Every freaking day. It's already 10 p.m. or 10:30 p.m. Bobby will soon be back. I know in a few minutes time he will be home. I just want to finish up with what I am doing.
Mama, you do.
I'm not done. Leave me alone. Take the toy. Pick this one too. Pick the toy.
It's up to the toe.
Pick it.
A toe. That's a toe.
Daddy is home.
Huh?
Papa is home.
Daddy! Daddy, 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 here see Frank and the sun. Yes. But your mama she needs to be Frank.
When did you kill it for?
Huh?
You kill it for?
I did not kill it, but I dealt with it.
No, you possess the time killer, not the same.
It's not the same.
When you come kill
I did not kill it.
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy,
I did not kill it,
Frank
so-
on the tree lion.
We saw Rami.
Daddy, Daddy,
Where
what?
to the supermarket?
Daddy,
Not buy egg.
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy. Oh yeah, quello lion and the tree
It's not
strano.
lion. It's not lion, Jackie. It's not lion. Nothing I was telling you of. You said I should go back.
Daddy, yeah, it's pizza.
No, I should go back because this place is sleeping. Or will you carry her? Eh? We have bets. Guys, I roasted this meat. I wanted to see how it will taste. This is part of the meat I bought the other day. You guys, it tastes like suya. I marinated it. These small ones here, oh my god, no different with suya. No difference. Tastes very nice. So we're watching movies and I was making Diana's hair while hubby was trying to lose Jasmine's hair. You can see Diana is a bit relaxed compared to the last time I was making her hair. She was really crying and disturbing. But this time around, she disturbed a bit, but she sat down for me to make her hair. She was just playing because I gave her some things to distract her, and my baby girl did not really cry and disturb like she did the previous time. Mama baby. You guys, I am going to get tomatoes for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to prepare my signature jollof rice, smoky jollof rice. So before the supermarket will close, I want to hurry up to get tomatoes because we don't have tomatoes at home. Like I've not been stocking tomatoes like before. I shall drive. I will see you guys later. What are you buying? What do you want to take? What are you buying? Diana, what are you buying? What are you buying? Eh? What are you buying? What are you buying? This is what I came to buy, but I've bought what they did not send me. This is what I came for. Don't touch. Auntie. Auntie. Don't touch. You. Diana. Daya. Daya. Daya, baby. Okay, let's go. Mama. Mama. Daya. Is that how we are going to live? We can't go like this, Mama. Diana. That's not how to roll it. Hey. Let's go slowly. Slowly. Good job. I know my husband will be like, you said you want to go and pick tomatoes. Madam, cellophane don't fool. If I say I want to pick one thing in the supermarket, just now I'm coming back with a full loaded nylon. I don't know why it's always like this. I will want one particular thing, like it to be in my mind. I'll say, oh, this is exactly what I just want to pick in the supermarket and go home. It is never possible. Hobby did shopping like groceries today, this afternoon. If I show you the nylon I use in buying something, it's filled up. What did I pick? I don't know. Let's go. The sun is too much. You guys cannot even see this rice. But this one I made today is not as much as the one I made the last time. This one is 2 kg of rice. This is 2 kg of rice. The last one, I think that one was 3 kg. It's ready, so I just put my butter and put small firewood to give it that smoky taste. Nothing beats outdoor jollof rice. It gives you that party jollof. You guys, look at the sun. Look at the sun kiss. Because I knew I was going to cook outside today, like yesterday, I told you guys I was going to get tomatoes for the rice. So I had to put on this pajama that I wore yesterday. It's already dirty because Diana stained it. You guys cannot see, the sun will not make it set. So I had to put it on so all my clothes will not be smelly smoke. So I have to wear this one. Then I will just wash it. Take that bicycle back. What is wrong with you? Is this where you ride the bicycle? Oh yeah, take it back. You want to fall again? These kids, they just give person headache. She fell not quite long because she is riding on top of this place instead of the lower ground. Anyways, as I was saying, our kitchen is not still here, and this is our 3rd week. But I think next to is the kitchen will come. You guys see, we had to like collect refund because we were so angry. After how many weeks? Like 2 weeks. They kept saying tomorrow, that they are trying to modify the kitchen. They are trying to do this because our kitchen is angle kitchen. It's not like the straight kitchen, just like the one we had in our previous home. This one is like angle, here, there. You understand? So it's difficult to get the right one immediately you go to buy, so they will have to modify it, blah blah blah. So they were just like playing with us. So Obi and I got angry because 2 weeks was a lot for them to do whatever they want to do and bring it, but they didn't bring it. So we got angry and we went there for a refund. So now most likely we are going to buy a used kitchen and the person will just modify it for us. I think that's what we are going to do, just like the one we bought in our previous home. That one was a used kitchen, but it was neatly used, so maybe that's what we are going to go for. My food will soon be ready. I'll see you guys later. This rice is ready, so later I will wash the back of this pot because it's looking dark. Yes, it's ready. It's looking dark because of the firewood I added, so it made the pot went dark, like very black. So I'll have to wash it now. After I remove the rice from it and put in the bowl, I will leave it to cool down a bit.
Families near, calm house.
Hey guys, good afternoon. I want to say a very big thank you to every one of you that watched the video I uploaded and said I lost my channel to hackers and YouTube deleted my channel, and I recovered it. I got a lot of messages, comments, subscribers and all from that video, and I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for your support, your well wishes and your prayers. I say amen to all of it, and I appreciate you guys for also subscribing and joining my channel. So let me close this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your like, your comment, your share, and I want to say thank you. Yeah, I can go on and on saying thank you because you guys are amazing. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Please, if you are subscribed to me, always watch my video. It helps me grow, and it shows that there are people who relate to my content. I'm not just making content and watching alone. So it shows me the amount of people that love me and my family and what I do, and it encouraged me to also make more videos. So please always watch my video and put like, also comment. Those interactions and comments you put drop also encourage me, and I love it. Keep them coming. My kids are disturbing me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Thank you for watching.